Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find the location of your lost AirPods. All right, let's begin. If you've misplaced your AirPods or think they've been stolen, you can use Apple's Find My feature to locate them. First, open the Settings app on the iPhone that was previously paired with your AirPods. Tap your name at the top, then go to Find My and select Find My iPhone. Make sure Find My iPhone, Find My Network, and Send Last Location are all turned on. Next, go back to Settings, open Privacy and Security, then tap Location Services and make sure Location Services are enabled. Now return to your home screen and open the Find My app. If you can't find it, swipe down on the home screen and search for Find My. Once the app opens, tap the Devices tab at the bottom. You'll see a list of all devices linked to your Apple account. Select your AirPods from the list. If you're using newer AirPods, such as AirPods Pro, you'll have access to Find Nearby or Directions. Tap the available option and wait up to a minute for your iPhone to connect to the AirPods. As you move around, the app will guide you toward their exact location, making it much easier to recover them. So that's basically how you can find the location of your lost AirPods. That's it for this video. Thanks!